So recently I've been expanding into more gameplay interaction stuff. So I've been setting up a base component which gets all the nearby savable entities with the savable tag and puts it into a list. And based off of that entity I can find the actor in the scene if I want to. But what I'm trying to do is make the logic scalable so it removes it also. So if I come up and I press P, you'll see that I found two objects. So if we go to the main thing, you'll see the two objects here. But if I move, I pressed the wrong button. I've only found one object, but I've still got two objects in the list. Now I've got three. If I come over here, it doesn't reset it. So if I come into the wisp point, you'll see that this is the script that does it. This doesn't run, so I don't know why that happens. So let's get rid of this. So if we get this one, can we clear it? And then fill it is the question. So I found one actor. And I've got one actor in here. Lovely. Okay, so if I come over to here, find three actors. I've got three actors in the array. I've got no actors in the array. I've got two actors in the array. Perfect.